Welcome back to another exciting look at the world of recreational vehicles, where today we are checking out an incredible solution for families who want to hit the great outdoors without hauling around a massive land yacht. If you think a family camping trip requires an oversized, ultra-expensive rig, you might want to reconsider. Meet the Sun Lite 15MBX, a brilliant compact hybrid travel trailer built by the Amish-owned, United States-based company Sunset Park RV. This manufacturer has built a solid reputation over the years for focusing on lightweight, practical, and highly affordable camper solutions, and the 15MBX proves that you do not need to overcomplicate things to have a memorable family vacation. Let us dive right into what makes this compact towable so special. At just over 16 feet in length and roughly 7.5 feet wide, the 15MBX is technically part of the brand's standard Sun Lite series, making it the third most compact model they offer. But do not let its small footprint fool you. Thanks to a clever hybrid design featuring a tip-out bed extension, this single-axle camper manages to sleep up to 6 people. It is the perfect entry-level RV for a family, providing a fixed front bed with a small queen mattress for the parents, while the kids can comfortably crash on the jackknife sofa and the manual bed extension. When you step inside through the rear entrance, you are immediately greeted by a surprisingly functional open-plan living space. The jackknife sofa doubles as a lounge facing an optional TV mounted over the kitchen sink, and a metal flip-down bar-style table on the rear wall comes complete with 2 storable bar stools for your dining needs. Speaking of the kitchen, it is beautifully appointed for a camper of this scale, featuring a 2-burner gas cooktop, a hood vent, a microwave, and an absolutely massive farmhouse-style sink that makes doing dishes a breeze. There's also a practical wet bath tucked between the living space and the front bedroom to cover all your basic needs. Built on a powder-coated steel chassis with a traditional stick and tin construction, the Sun Lite 15MBX is designed for reliability and ease of towing. It features an empty weight of just under 2,500 pounds, meaning it is easily manageable for a wide variety of tow vehicles. It also comes generously equipped with a roof-mounted air conditioner, a furnace, a 6-gallon gas water heater, dual propane tanks, a power awning, and 100 watts of solar power right out of the factory. For a starting price hovering around $18,000, this little hybrid camper is an absolute bargain that offers families everything they need to hit the road in comfort and style without breaking the bank.